All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And this is just something that I found strangely odd. It was really odd. Hit the like button. Please hit the like button before I go any further. And if you're new here, subscribe if you want. I'm not sure. Anyone want to listen to a little boring guy like me? But so a Sky Sports reporter for F1 saw Hector Bellerin and immediately started calling Hector Bellerin a hipster, stating that. But before I go, a hipster is someone who follows the latest trend, clothing trend, the latest event, the most popular event that has been talked about, and also they say they're just someone who dress to look the part, and they're not of the certain culture, the mainstream culture, I would say. So that is what they call a hipster, someone who wants to fit in. But obviously, it was really obvious that he didn't know who Hector Bellerin was, and in some sense, it's disrespectful because you should not just blatantly call someone a hipster without knowing that person. And Hector Bellerin he seems a bit nervous in the situation. But anyways, the link for the video is in my description. Go and check it. It is in my description. It's on Twitter, and it is kind of disrespectful, but it's weirdly odd, also a bit funny-ish, just by how Hector Bellerin is moving. So go and check it out, guys. Really fun video to watch, and you'll find it very weird, just as I did. The link is in the description, and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you go any further. And this has been Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me, and guess what? I am out.